Are you looking for the best stepper machines? In this video, we will look at some of the best stepper machines on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Sunny Health Fitness Twister Stepper Machine. You are dressed and ready to get pumping. The Sunny Health Fitness 045 Twister Stepper will certainly have you working out on a level you would never have imagined. This portable elliptical machine is a perfect blend of efficiency and practicality bundled into one state-of-the-art product. It delivers on an excellent level, worthy of its renowned manufacturers, and is straightforward to use, having been tailored to the needs of each and every one of its users. As advertised, the Twister Stepper is famous for its twist action that provides an effective cardiovascular workout. With its built-in resistance, along with other features, it offers to set the standard for home fitness, and as such, this is the product to get behind if you intend to get that full body workout in one of the easiest ways possible. A major issue most people have with workouts is accountability, but the Twister Stepper app helps to keep that in rein with the interactive LCD console, which displays everything from display time to calories. It also includes adjustable volume settings and everything more that can make your workout even more immersive for an all-around improved stepper fitness. Number 2. Sunny Health Fitness Twister Stepper Machine. Working out at home has many benefits. Not only is it more convenient for you, but it is also more comfortable, allowing you to exercise in peace without worrying about judging eyes falling on you. Beyond that, people who favor working out at home tend to save time and money. Not only do they eliminate the pesky recurring, expensive gym membership fee, but they also tend to see more results sooner. This option also puts the power of planning your workout schedule in such a way that you have no excuse to skip out on yourself. Also, there are no outside restrictions/conditions placed on your eligibility as is done in the traditional gym. You have to admit that owning a stepper machine is nothing less than convenient. For those looking to bag a more traditional-looking step machine with top features, the Twister Stepper with Handlebar by Sunny Health Fitness is the best stepper machine to go for. You can expect nothing but quality, as its distributors are renowned and have been putting out a quality product in the market for over a decade. Number 3. Sunny Health Fitness Mini Stepper Machine. The Sunny Health Fitness Mini Stepper with resistance bands is another formidable stepper machine in the market. As far as lightweight products come in, this is certainly one of the best out there. The creators, Sunny Health Fitness, has been dishing out quality products for about 15 years, so rest assured they can be trusted to get your buttocks ready for summer. Even if flaunting a stunning new figure is not your priority, you can be sure to achieve your personalized fitness goals in a practical and safe manner. Its size and build allow your stepper fitness routine to be maintained in various locations. So, as a workout enthusiast, you can rest assured that your routine is not just limited to the gym or at the home. Despite its portable size, even exercise pros can make use of this product, as it can accommodate up to an extent of 12 feet comfortably in its pedals. Number 4. Stamina 40-0069 Space Mate Folding Stepper. Is your stamina on par with that of a snail lately? Want to increase your endurance levels but not sure where to start? Hop on the Stamina 40-0069 Space Mate Folding Stepper, a proactive stepper machine that offers an awesome yet compact way to get fit and build your endurance levels without having to step out of your comfort zone. Don't be quick to judge it as merely a basic stepper machine, as it offers more than what it appears to. With a fierce and effective design stepping action, your lower body workout sessions jump up to another level. What's more, you can rest assured that your performance is paying off by making use of its multi-function monitor that records the calories burned, along with the number of steps you make per minute and throughout the entire workout. If you have just started exercising after years of inactivity, you are always advised to start slowly. Luckily, your comfort is guaranteed, as this machine also offers a light endurance training, making it the ideal start to be fit and efficient. For added comfort, you can even make use of the padded handlebars, the adjustable resistance hydraulic cylinders, and leveling end caps to ensure a safe and stabilized workout. Number 5. Sportsroyals Stair Stepper. Stepper with handlebar helps keep you balanced while you step. Great for beginners who are new to the stepping world. U-shaped handlebar provide different grip points, meets more different heights of your family. The new design of the handlebar rod bend outwards provides enough space for stepping exercises to prevent the knee from touching the rod during exercise. Sportsroyals Twist Stepper for exercise used 2 mm high-quality steel and precision bearings, more sturdy and durable. Heavy-duty steel construction after thousands of tests, We make sure our step machines are to support 330 pounds. Twist action helps you tone thighs and buttocks while achieving a challenging cardiovascular workout. Resistance bands work arms, chest, back, and shoulders for total body workout. Perfect for weight loss, body shape, and daily exercise. Built with a European standard hydraulic cylinder strengthen, this mini stair stepper with handlebar provides a quiet and safe using environment. The internal super energy spring protects the joints and provides a good cushioning effect. Shock-absorb cushion installed under the pedals could reduce the movement noise.